Welcome to this week's Ask Charlie. Now, this week I'm going to share with you Christmas outfit ideas. I was going to do it the following week, but I thought I'd swap skincare around with this because I thought if you had a little bit more time to plan outfits, that might be better. So I thought I would do it this way around. Now, this is how you find me kind of every day if you were to knock on the door. I have got my long socks. It's been mighty cold. I have my base layer, which is from Intimissimi. I always get asked about these. I have got various, and actually I've just got some other colours as well, which you will be seeing added into the mix, and then just a roll neck because I'm often, outside walking the dogs, what have you. It's a little bit of a cold, drafty house, so this is often how you will find me. But today we're going to be talking about Christmas outfits, what to wear for Christmas. I've got some lovely pieces to share with you, and I'm hoping that it gives you a little bit of inspo and some ideas for what you might wear. Or you might just want to be cozy like this. Maybe I could put on some lovely, gorgeous, in fact, I've got them right here. And this is probably how I will end up at the end of the day. These are from Bridie and Bert, chocolate coloured tracky bums. And I think really cozy. Oh, I knew I'd put them somewhere and I didn't know where. I've just found my earrings, which I haven't been able to find for a week. Right, they were in my pocket. So cozy, and this is probably the sort of look that I will end the day in. Cozy, comfy, practical, elasticated waist and all of that. But now let's put on some slightly more glamorous looks. So the first look I'm sharing with you is an Aspiga dress. I think I bought this last year or the year before, but they often have something similar and I love it. It is so comfy. It's so easy just to throw on. You can pull the sleeves up. So if you're going to be washing up and doing things like that, it's really easy. It's got a zip at the side and it's just a really comfy, practical dress, but it's also perfect for a Christmas drinks party. You could pop say my long navy overcoat, which is from Guinea London, over the top for maybe Christmas carols for going out in the evening, or you could wear it on Christmas Day. It's a really versatile dress. It's got this lovely little lace detail and buttons. So that is the first look. Aspiga's party wear is amazing. Definitely encourage you to go and have a look at their website. And they're a lovely, lovely company. They're B Corp and a really lovely brand. Next up is this little emerald green, shimmery knee-length dress. I would wear this with nude tights, or you could wear it with black tights. Very much a party dress. It depends what kind of Christmas you have. I wouldn't wear this personally on Christmas Day, but I definitely would wear it if we were having a drinks party or if we were going to a party. So it's a really pretty dress. I've had this for I think 3, maybe 4 years, and it was from Lulu collection originally, but it's a great sparkly little number, really easy to wear, and I love dresses that just kind of aren't too tight around the tummy, particularly if you are sitting down and eating. But if we were going, and having an early Christmas celebration, this is definitely something that I could wear, but more evening wear than day. And I've just teamed it with some black LK Bennett suede shoes. They are so comfy. They're a very sensible heel height, and I'm quite comfy wearing that sort of heel height for, a few hours. Now, if we are thinking evening wear, black tie, formal, this is a dress that I would wear. This is from Me and Thee, and I wore it actually earlier this year in January for a ball that I went to. I think I've worn it a couple of times, and I've also got a green velvet one from the same brand. I'll insert a picture here of me wearing it. I love their dresses. They're kind of, you can sort of just adjust them. You can have a little bit of a play around with how they sit and how they fit. If you want to have a little bit more coverage around your tummy, you can just have a little readjust. You can pop it up more on your shoulders, or you can take it down. I've actually still got my bra on. I'm just hiding my straps. So yeah, it's a really lovely dress. a lovely rich colour for this time of year, and yeah, very, very comfortable. I did size up because I found that their sizing was a little bit off. So this is a size 12, whereas normally I'd be an 8 to 10, but the 8 to 10 was and not so comfy. I've just had a delivery from Bricks and Stitches, and I was waiting to film this video with the parcel arriving. I ordered and bought a couple of things from their website, and actually Becky sent me a couple of things as well. So this is an item that I bought. It was out of stock for a little while, and then I saw that they were restocked and I jumped on it quickly because this is my perfect kind of dress. I think it's one size, so I think it fits between an 8 to a 12. It's elasticated. It's got elastic here. It's got this beautiful dobby fabric. So it's a little bit sheer on the arms, but not anywhere else. It's got a double layer, so it's lined. And it's just really easy to throw on. It's a very sensible price point, so it wouldn't be the end of the world if you were cooking and you got gravy splashed on you. I wouldn't want to be wearing a really expensive designer dress whilst cooking, but this I think is perfect. You can dress it up for the evening. I could put my pearls on, I could put a diamond necklace on, and I could dress it up or dress it down. I could go to the theatre, I could go to a drinks party, or I could just wear it on Christmas Day. I could wear it with flats. I am 5'5", and it is a perfect length on me. It hits just on the ankle bone, and that is just perfect. So this is a really lovely dress from Bricks and Stitches. I have my discount code Charlie10 for you to get a discount code. It's a one-time code only, but again, really comfy with flats. With let me get some flats out. Navy ballets from Pretty Ballerina, and I could wear this with tights with my overcoat. I could go to church wearing this, or I could wear it during the day or dress it up for the evening. Bricks and Stitches have got a great selection of party wear, so I will leave their website linked for you to head over and have a look. Now this is the outfit that Becky chose for me, and she and I have got such similar taste. It is chocolate brown velvet with a little gold scalloped top underneath. The trousers are really, really comfy. You guys know that I'm not normally a high-waisted, but they're not... they don't feel restrictive, and you feel like you could eat a few, I don't know, I was about to say pigs in blankets. I've got pigs in blankets on my mind at the moment. I've been filming pigs and blankets today, and I've had a fair few of them. But this is a really gorgeous, gorgeous trouser suit. Power dressing tailored suits are really, really on trend at the moment, but what is really great about them is you can mix and match. So you could wear the trousers with a lovely crisp white blouse and a knit over your shoulders, quite cash, or you can pop the jacket, trousers and a glitzy top, or you could put something not so glitzy on underneath and you know, just wear a shirt or a lovely silk blouse, something like that. But I know that this is going to be really well worn. I have been looking for a gorgeous blazer that isn't like just in plain navy, sensible, boring. This is, I don't know, you put it on and you feel great in it. I think it's a really lovely outfit. The trousers are a really good length on me with a heel. With flats, I'd probably need to turn them up, but I could wear these with boots or with shoes. And let me just show you without the jacket how the trousers fit. So give you a quick spin. That is them without the jacket, and then you can see the top. Obviously you can see my bra strap, but yes, I'm wearing a size 36 and it fits, I think, really comfortably. Now, I have shared this gorgeous Blackwatch tartan blouse with you before. It is from Diane, the label. Grace has wonderful, wonderful things, and this is a really lovely way to style it with cropped navy trousers. I could either pop a heel on, but I've just put flats because actually on Christmas Day, I kind of want to be comfy. And so this is a really practical outfit. I could put a knit over the top and yeah, style it in lots of different ways. Dress it up. We can pop a pair of heels on just to show you just how to change it. I can put my collar up, which I think works quite well with short hair, or I can pop it down with a pair of heels, and that just elevates it, and you just immediately, well, I feel immediately a little bit more elegant when I've got a heel on. But to be honest, if I'm cooking a Christmas roast, I would be wearing my flats and be comfortable. So a lovely, lovely blouse. Grace also does this in a beautiful red tartan as well. I'm not really a red girl. Occasionally I will wear little bits of red, but this is absolutely my kind of thing. And I've already worn it numerous times and have had lots of... And then I shared with you the Cabbages and Roses nighty house dress, beautiful tartan dress. And, you know, yes, it does look a little bit nighty-ish, but I showed you with a long sleeve navy roll neck, but I've also got this short sleeve. So then you've got the red arms, the red bottom, the little frill popping out here, and maybe you can just about see the frill of the collar. So this would be perfect on Christmas Day. Quite casual. I've just teamed it with some chocolate brown suede boots for a little bit of a heel, but I could wear it with flats. Super, super comfy. So if you're going for like a sort of relaxed, chilled vibe, this is definitely a good option. Then lastly, one of my absolute favourite dresses. I have just pulled out of the wardrobe. It could probably do with a little bit of a steam. It has been tucked in my wardrobe for the last few weeks since I got my wintry clothes out. This is a Kate Barton dress and I absolutely love it. I wore it for Christmas Day last year. I also wore it to my uncle's for our family Christmas. It is so easy just to throw on. You could wear it with long black boots, chocolate brown boots. I wore it with my long navy overcoat. You could put a cardigan over it. It is such a comfy, easy to wear dress. I've actually got it in denim as well in here. It's how much I love it. There is the denim version. Kate Barton has some wonderful dresses and I love this colour. Let me just hang that up on there. Ooh. I love this colour for Christmas. I just think it's a really lovely colour. As I mentioned earlier, let me just clip this on. As I mentioned earlier, I'm not really a red girl, but this colour I think suits me and I love wearing it. And I've just popped it with my LK Bennett black shoes and it feels quite elegant like this. I could wear it with flats. I could wear it with my navy flats. Really versatile. You could put... I mentioned at the beginning I had bought a couple of other colours. This is a dark burgundy. This would look really lovely underneath it and it would give me an extra layer of warmth. I could pop a pair of tights. I could even put a pair of thermals underneath and be very comfy. So many of you after my Q&A said about doing a Christmas try on and I love hearing from you of content that you would like me to create. So a huge thank you. I really hope that this has given you some ideas, some inspiration. Go upstairs to your room, have a try on, have a play with your clothes. If you put an outfit on and you feel good in it, then that's a winner. It's about how you feel in your clothes and it's about being comfy. For me, it's really important that I have options. I can wear flats, I can wear heels, I can dress things up, dress things down, pop on an extra layer, take off an extra layer. It's about being comfy. And so I really hope that this has given you lots of ideas and you've enjoyed watching. Thank you for tuning in and have a super week. And I hope to see you on Friday with this week's vlog.